Healthy Breakfast Ideas Bangladesh. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on health and fitness goals. Here are some healthy breakfast ideas with a touch of Bangladesh. Pantabat with fried fish. Pantabat is fermented rice soaked in water, often enjoyed during the Bengali New Year. Pair it with lightly spiced fried fish, and you have a traditional and nutritious Bengali breakfast. Shorshilish mustard hilsa. If you're a fan of hilsa fish, try shorshilish, a dish where hilsa is marinated in a mustard sauce and then steamed. Serve it with steamed rice for a flavorful and protein-rich breakfast. Chingri borda prawn mash. Mash together boiled prawns with garlic, green chilies, and mustard oil. Enjoy this spicy prawn mash with whole grain bread or rice for a protein-packed breakfast. Khichuri. A warm and comforting dish made with rice, lentils, and various spices. Top it with fried eggplant slices, boiled eggs, and a dollop of ghee for a wholesome and filling breakfast. Dal puri with aloo barta. Enjoy dal puri, a type of deep-fried bread with aloo barta mashed potatoes with spices. This combination provides a good mix of carbohydrates and proteins. Chapati with dal. Chapati, a type of flatbread, paired with simple but flavorful lentil dal, is a common and nutritious breakfast in Bangladesh. Add a side of sliced cucumbers and tomatoes for freshness. Bapapitha. These steamed rice cakes, often filled with a mixture of coconut and jaggery, make for a delicious and traditional Bengali breakfast. They are both sweet and nutritious. Fruit chaat. Combine fresh seasonal fruits like papaya, banana, and guava with a sprinkle of chaat masala and a squeeze of lemon. It's a refreshing and healthy option for breakfast. Begun bhaja with luchi. Fried slices of eggplant begun bhaja paired with luchi deep-fried, puffed bread make for a delightful breakfast. It's a flavorful combination that's popular in Bengali cuisine. Shak bhat. A mixed vegetable curry shack served with rice bhat is a wholesome breakfast option. Include vegetables like spinach, potatoes, and beans for added nutrition. Remember to balance these traditional dishes with a variety of ingredients. And choose whole grains when possible for added fiber and nutrients. Adjust the portion sizes according to your dietary needs. If you're getting any value out of the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's continue.